During year end, you may find yourself needing to do various adjustments in order to have correct information on W-2s or having to do special taxations that occur only once a year. In this overview video, we will go over several common types that may have to be performed based on the benefits that your company provides. We will look in detail how to do each of these in separate videos, but let's briefly look at some of the different examples. First, you may experience fringe benefits or payouts that are fully taxable. One example includes giving out gift cards, and any amount is taxable. Another example is the fair market value of the personal use of a company car. For more information on either of these, refer to IRS Publication 15B. Since these items are fully taxable, one way to handle this is to tax the employee on it during a payroll. You can add these on the payroll pay data grid screen as a one-time or the employee deduction screen if it is a permanent recurring taxation amount. An example of a recurring taxable fringe benefit would be a reimbursed gym membership. Items like this can be added on the payroll adjustments detail screen to only report the amounts. Some companies may opt to have fringe benefits appear on box 14 of the W-2, but the IRS states that is optional. If your company is set up to have this reported in box 14, Dominion will record it there for you once it is entered. The next example is health insurance benefits for 2% or more owners of an S-Corp. The IRS states that medical premiums paid for 2% or more owners are taxed for federal but are exempt from FICA. See IRS Publication 15B for more information on this. These amounts are recorded on the payroll adjustments detail screen to report the amounts only. Some companies may have this appear in box 14 of the W-2, but most importantly, it will add the wages to box 1, which is federal taxable wages. The employee will then pay these taxes when they do their federal return. The next example is excess group term life insurance. This could also be set up as GTL or excess insurance in our system if this is something that your company offers to employees. The IRS requires that any group term life benefits over $50,000 are taxable. Withholding is only required for FICA, but the amounts must be included in federal taxable wages on the W-2. For more information on this, refer to IRS Publication 15B. This can be done once at the end of the year and can be entered on the payroll adjustments detail screen, but it can also be set up to be calculated per payroll on the employee deduction screen. This last method mentioned will save you time and keep you from having to calculate it all at year end. These amounts must also be included in box 12 code C of the W-2. Once it's entered, Dominion will include these automatically when producing your W-2s. The next category is sick pay. This is not referring to an employee taking a day or two from their sick leave balance. This is referring to either short-term or long-term sick pay, usually handled by a third party. For more information on this, refer to IRS Publication 15A. These will be entered on a special screen by going to Payroll, Adjustments, and then selecting Third Party. These amounts will then be recorded in box 13 of the W-2 by Dominion after you've entered them. Since third-party sick pay can have various ways of setting it up, please contact our tax department or client solutions department if you're unsure on how this is set up for your company. The last example is HSA contributions. These are unique from the others because they are not taxable as long as they are within the annual limits from the IRS. For more information, see IRS Publication 15B. You will enter these on the Payroll Adjustments detail screen, or you can go to Payroll Adjustments Grid to upload a spreadsheet of many employees. Dominion will then automatically record these amounts on box 12, code W of the W-2.